Hello, hello. Good evening, people of the Book of Face. It's 5:45 on a Saturday afternoon. Who am I kidding? You're all too busy for this shit. But anyway, maybe you're watching on replay. If you're watching on replay, drop me a hey. If you're watching on YouTube, drop me a comment. If you're watching in, I don't know, outer space, blah, 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 blah. There you go. Didn't know I spoke Martian, did you? I am just jumping on super quick because you will know if you've been following me, and if you haven't, it's fine. Our Marble Run membership went live last night, so it's an online subscription for parents and carers in neurodivergent households. And every day for the next 7 days, I am releasing new content into the Marble Run, and I have just sent over the new content for today. So every day there's a Juicy Brucey bonus. I thought I'd just tell you very quickly what today's Juicy Brucey bonus was to see whether you think it might be of interest to you. So you may know that I'm the parent of a trans child. And one of the things that I think is missing in our space is reliable information to support parents of gender non-conforming children. So today's bonus is around that. Today's bonus is my top tips if you are supporting a gender non-conforming child or young person, particularly if they've just come out to you or if they're just starting to explore their gender identity. It's like a top line. This is what I wish I'd known when it happened in our home. It's like a guide too. So it's about half an hour, and it's I talk about lots of things. I show you binders. I talk to you about different stages of transition. We talk about social transition being the most important, and we also talk about some myths around hormone treatments, medical transition, and just kind of reassure you around that. So if that is something that is in your circle, either you have a gender non-conforming child or young person in your home, and or you have a family member who's supporting a gender non-conforming child or young person, or you just want to kind of upskill yourself, that video is landing in libraries tonight. So it will give you access to that tonight. And there's also a resource that accompanies it. So there's a signposting to different organizations. We can get help and support, because this is a big thing when something like this shows up for your family. He's doing really great. Thank you, Tina. So that's tonight's Juicy Brucey bonus. You can get on the Marble Run straight away. You can either join outright on the Marble Run, just go to my website and go to the Marble Run. It's £20 a month. That gives you access to the online library, which currently includes my 3 top-selling EOTAS webinars. So EOTAS 101, personal budgets, and how to put together an EOTAS request. It also includes my 5-day audit challenge, which helps you work out where you are now, what you're doing next, what your priorities are. And as of tonight, it also includes that video that I just mentioned with a resource section for coming out, how to a guide for parents on how to support gender non-conforming, particularly trans non-binary children. That's over in the Marble Run. You can join up on that right now. It's £20 a month. Jump in, jump out as much as you want. Or if you want something a bit meatier, the Marble Run is also included in my Unstoppable Parent program, the doors to which are now open. You will have access to the Marble Run for a month, included in your membership for the Unstoppable Parent. And then my 5-week Unstoppable Parent course starts on the 3rd of August. It's a 5-week intensive course for parents and carers who want to go from wrung out worrier to Unstoppable Sen warrior. It's hard to say when I've not really spoken to people very much today. So that's it. Your Juicy Brucey bonus is live in your library right now, or it will be in the next half an hour. Go ahead and jump on the Marble Run or the Unstoppable Parent. Let me know which option you're going for. Like I say, if you just jump on the Marble Run, it's only 20 quid and it gives you access to all of those things I've just mentioned, plus this brand new content that I've just recorded today. Tomorrow's Juicy Brucey bonus, I will tell you all about tomorrow. Yeah, and I'm really looking forward to letting me know what you think. That's it. Super quick. Promised. See you later. Bye.